Hey, it worked. It worked. Hey, Ron, I got that other sticker put up. Hey, you watching the Blue Bike and Doors channel here on the TBB and Doors channel? The Blue Bike and Doors, the Blue Bike, the baby, the black bike. Anyway, hey, we got to work on my old pickup. I have no window washer. Woo. Woo. The window what the woo is not worried. It's not worried. Anyway, I don't. Windshield washer fluid's not working. Motor burn up. Run an intro. I got this off the old Jungle website, so I hope it works. Yep, maybe it works, maybe it don't. You never know what you're getting from Japan. Chinese. That's it. That be it. That be it. Alright, let's see what we got here. As I said, made in China. Or made in America pickup truck. If we don't start... What was that? Oh, it's a little... Oh... It's a little plug washer thing. But it looks like this is all it is. The bad part is a lot of bad parts. One, I don't know where this is at. Well, I know where it's kind of at, but I don't know how to get to it, if you know what I mean. And of course, it won't fit in the shed, so we got to go outside. The first step is I left the switch on yesterday when I rolled my windows up like a dumb butt. I guess I just wasn't thinking. They went up because I let it, it was hot yesterday. And just left the key on. I went out there today and I thought, well, dang, it's not buzzing. Is the key in? Yep, it was in and it was on. See, we live here in the south in a small town. Well, we're not in here. Ain't nobody gonna mess with it. I just left keys in it. I don't do that regular, but I did that day. Wish I didn't. But anyway, let's go see what we can do. And I'm waiting on I just weed eated. I trimmed my grass around the house and mailbox and all like that. So, yeah. Waiting on the dew to get off the grass. I don't like cutting the grass with dew on it or wet. See, that explains the jump over the battery charger. Anyway, we need the first thing is we're going to have to unhook this battery because the windshield washer thing's right here. And probably got to take the box thing to get to that, hopefully. So, let me see. What is this, 8? Probably. Or smaller. So, I checked the fuse here a while back. And that's why I knew it's this, because it no pump. Everything else worked, and I checked the fuses and everything. You just ain't gonna stand up, are you? So I know it's not that, it's the motor. Fingers crossed. Hey, do got dual horns, huh? We got beep beep later. Alright, here's what we got. They use little, I don't know if you could call them, it was like they melted the plastic around them, see right here. And I don't know, they were screws, but it looks like they just used a metal plastic thing to melt them. That's what it looked like, because I couldn't get nothing on them. But anyway, I got that out, and this is just bolted to that thing. And I guess I could have, you couldn't bring the whole thing up all at once. Maybe you could, maybe you couldn't, I don't know. But here's what we're looking for. Is that right there? It looks like it just sticks in there. Unplug it, and we'll go from there. Now, of course, why not? Why wouldn't it be full? Because I thought I was out, and I put probably won't burn up. Anyway. Hey. Hey. So, let's see if we can unplug this wire right here. Need a... I need a screwdriver. What am I doing? Guess I took the screwdriver back. Alright, I'm going to use this little pick thing. All you got to do is just push that in and pull it up, hopefully. Yep, it's like so. Good tool, the right tool for the right job works sometimes. So I guess you just pull this out. Guess I needed it. Heck, I'm peeing everywhere. Alright, whoop. It's either going to run out the top or run out the bottom. It's pissing everywhere. Alright, well, I guess all I got to do is unplug this. Unplug this. Come on. I'm using all my water. See, they want that to come off. Gee whiz. Geez whiz. Stick that going. No, I don't think I need that. Get that back on. Like so. Gotta stop that from running out. Whew. That's the easy part. Let's stick this back on there. You know what? I just sit here, I'll test it before I put it all back together. I can't because I gotta put the butter in. It's not leaking. Frog sitting on a frog. You ever heard that before? You poop and go home. Sit on a frog. Well, I'll plug it. Where's the water go? There, where'd it go? There it is. And with this moment of truth, let's see if this works. Plugs in. It does. It clicks, it stays, it's fixed. Hopefully. This. It goes like so, but it won't stay because it gotta have the. See, I don't know why they didn't just vote this to this. Because I couldn't get the box out without. I swear. Wiggle everything back in together. Turn the hose up. With some hose. Like so. That's it. That's the way it sits. Now what? Since I broke all them hoses there. Just like that. Well, you work good when you're not hearing a motor running, don't you? I just let GoPro start recording. You note to self, don't say that again. But, come on. I had it. I lost it. I got it. Of course, I did it backwards. Always make it go the right way. So when you stick it in there, it goes zip. think that'll hold it. Cut it off flush. We'll toss that. I'll run it with a lawnmower and be gone. Alright. We got 3.
We saved 2,000.
Done. Done, done, done. Dun, 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 dun. I need this because I got to use it. Alright, I got the battery in and got it skirt on. It's got a sleeve on it, but I got to put this back down in there. But let's make sure, well, if it don't work, it don't work. This is like the little clamp thing that slides. That slides. That slides down in there. Get around this little skirt thingy. There it goes. There it goes. And you take a 8mm. There you clamp it down. You clamp it down. Like so. Alright, well, if you see water hit the windshield, that means it worked. Or hear the motor run. I should have enough juice in it. You think I got enough juice? 50-50 says I do. It's dinging. Turn the switch on. And we have wattage. Water! Yay! It works. Cut the switch off, dummy. Will it start? Oh, yeah. It's a Ford. I knew it would, even with a half-dead battery. Alright, well, that's it. I've been tightening them battery cables up. Simple. Simple. Just a simple job. You just got to take a bunch of stuff off. Alright. Got these all set up. I'm just going to stop, record, stop, just stop, turn that off. It is fixing to rain. So, let's get everything picked up. I'll leave that in there. That would be hurtful. So much for cutting the grass. It'll probably go over. I might cut it anyway. It don't look too bad. Just it's rained here every day since I go. All right, that concludes the episode of fixing the windshield washer fluid. Wasn't too bad. Maybe if I could wiggle that box out, it'd have another 2 hands. You might not need to bust them things, but it didn't hurt nothing. It's just like they plastic welded the things together. Probably did. Anyway, so go check out that video there. That one there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you nothing. You might learn something. I doubt it, but we'll see you down the road. You ain't gonna learn nothing from me. Later.